To add friends in Facebook. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Facebook application on your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now in order to add friends in Facebook, it's a very simple process. All you have to do is just tap on the search bar over here. Now to tap on search bar, you can just type in the name that you want to add friends for. So for example, if I'm gonna search for this particular person over here, I'm going to search for the name, and as soon as you see the profile, you can just go to their profile directly, and you can also add friend over here. You'll have your add a friend option. So here you can see the add friend option. You just have a tap on add friend and the request for your friend will be sent. After that, the person will be accepting or declining your friendship or your request in Facebook. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. See you next time.